Hey guys, this is Jon Orana, and in this video, pag-usapan natin how to get what you want. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Jon Orana, and today pag-usapan natin how to get what you want. So the first thing is what you want. I guess this is where a lot of people, they get stuck. That is why they're not happy with their situation, whether in their health, wealth, relationship, finances, their business, because the first step to have an amazing life is to know what you want, which is, unfortunately, ito'y kakaibang konsepto sa maraming tao. Okay, so again, the first step is know what you want. That is why my first advice for you is this: have an appointment, the most important appointment of your life. Because we're always busy. We have an appointment with our boss, with an appointment with this person, with this meeting, with a client, and all those things. But there's this one person they always forgot to set an appointment to. And I'm referring to yourself. That is right. Every day, set an appointment for yourself. Because again, it's easy for us to get carried away with all the happening and all the activities and urgencies and requirements around us. And it can be overwhelming. And madalas po rito, if we don't set an appointment for ourselves, is, nadadala ka na lang ng daloy, ng buhay. 10 years after, 20 years after, you look back, you look at your life, you're not happy. That is because you didn't set an appointment with yourself, and because of that, you didn't really know what you want. So, ang pag-uusapan natin dito is, these are like the 5 Fs. You know what? Para mas madali, gawin natin 6 Fs. 6 F to think about if you would like to really achieve this kind of life that you really love, right? Because ang buhay, hindi naman one dimension eh. Hindi naman po pwedeng health lang. Hindi naman pwedeng finances lang. Right? There has to be all these things, okay? Ano ba tong 6 Fs sa pag-uusapan natin? Number 1, one of my favorite part is finances. When I was in my early 30s, I got married and I have a child, like really 31, 32. Dito ko really naintindihan ng mas maya kakaiba yung power or importance of finances. Because I was like in my stage in my life na, okay, wala na ako dun sa 20s. I'm on my 30s and going to, 30s and 40s, right? And I got the chance to see yung buhay ng mga young and single because I was, kagagaling ko lang ron, and then I see those people who are older than me, and quite frankly, those people around me, I'm not happy with what I'm saying. It's like those people who are older than me, it's like I just feel that everyone are like struggling. Not everyone, but most of them, they are really struggling in their health and their finances in this relationship. I was like thinking, ganito ba talaga dapat ang buhay, right? Do we have to go through? Of course, ang problema, hindi naman mawawala yan. But again, I'm looking at those people who are 10 years and 20 years older than me, and I was like looking, eto bang klase yung buhay na gusto ko? That was the first question that I asked myself. And sabi ko, no, there has to be a better way. So unfortunately, I don't have a mentor, I don't have a coach, so I really rely on reading and books and studying other successful people and see paano ba sila naging successful. And one of which nga, yun nga ang pag-uusapan natin yan. Okay, number 1 is yung finances. Number 1. Kasi po ang nangyayari, guys, listen, it will be difficult to enjoy life if you are preoccupied with money. Anong ibig sabihin, Sir John, ng preoccupied with money? Yung lagi mong iniisip yung pera dahil madalas kulang. Have you had those experience that you wanna enjoy this pero iniisip mo paano mo babayaran yung utang bukas, paano mo babayaran yung upa bukas, saan ka kukuha ng ganito, tuition na ng mga bata. That's a fact. That's the reality of life. You cannot enjoy life is money is always missing. So the first step, if you will sit down, so go to Starbucks, go to a coffee shop, go to somewhere quiet, walang mga bata, walang anybody, just by yourself, get a notebook and set goals for these 5 Fs. Number 1 that I've been talking about is finances. Think about this. How much money do you think you need to really enjoy your life? Again, magkakaiba po tayo ng mga pangarap sa buhay. I'm not here to tell you how much the amount. Probably different than yours. Yours probably bigger than mine or maybe smaller than mine. Magkakaiba po tayo. But think about it. Set a goal. How much money every month that you think you need to really enjoy life. Meaning, hindi ka na mo problema sa pera. Hindi naman kailangan you have your own private plane and you live in this super big mansion that you really don't need. Just put an amount. Now, In setting goals, here's the thing. Yung iba inisip, Sir John, what if kung hindi ko naman ma-accomplish yung goals ko? Look, it is better to do something. It's better to set something than not setting at all. Why? Well, para kang, tinanong, saan ka pupunta? I don't know. Do you want that kind of life? No. So it's better to have a goal. Even if, let's just say, you know what, Sir John, gusto ko $500,000 a month. Okay, that's good. Eh, hindi mo na-meet yung $500,000 a month. Na-meet mo lang is $250,000 a month. That's not bad than say someone na completely have no goal and no directions in life. Especially if you are young and millennial. If only I heard this advice early on in my life, maaring mas malayo, mas malaki pa yung narating natin. So that's number 1, finances. Number 2 is family. So what are your goals for your family? Your siblings, if you have any, your parents, if they are still alive. What are your plans for them? Do you plan to bring them to Europe? Do you have plans to buy them a house? Do you have plans to, buy them this stuff that they've always been talking about, they've dreaming? Again, ikaw na mag-define on what do you think will make them happy, because trust me on this, my friend. If you see your loved ones are happy because of what you have done, that's like ultimate joy for me. It just gives you this fulfillment in life and gives you meaning and reason that the reason you want to succeed is not really for yourself, but for other people. Okay? So set a goal. Again, on the same day, every single day, stay focused on your goals. Now again, pinag-usapan natin, recap, number 1, finances, number 2, family, number 3 is your friends. That is right. Exactly. So hindi naman kinakailangan para maging successful ka, makakalimutan mo na lahat ng kaibigan mo. You can keep their friends. You can get new friends. But you don't have to forget all your friends. So what are your plans and goals? So I did this, guys, about maybe 5 and 6 years ago. And one of the goals that I set for my life and for my friends is to be able to treat them. For many times now, we've been to Thailand twice, Singapore for a few times. We went to Boracay na. We've been to Hong Kong as well. These are some of the goals that I set for my friends. Sabi ko, I would like to be able to treat them, to have that resources to be able to bring them to this really nice place, because these are the friends that are really close to me, and I just want them to enjoy life as well, dahil lahat kami naging busy na with all our kids, with our family, with our jobs. Sabi ko, this is a great time to escape at least for a week or so, to have more fun again, to reminisce our lives when we were younger and we were in college. So again, set a goal. For your friends, kanya-kanya po tayo. So what do you want to do? What do you want them to experience? How can you express your appreciation and love for these people? That's number 3. Number 4 is about fitness. Listen up, my friend. I don't care how much money you have in your bank account. Pagka ang health mo, itong katawan mo, ay nag-give up na. Kasi kung ano na mga gamot nang iniinom mo, kung ano na mga pains na nararamdaman mo, I'm telling you, walang pera magpapasaya sa'yo. Because all you want is to be healthy. Even if you have all the money in the world to travel the world. Pero kung hindi ka naman na makalakad, kung hindi ka na makakain ng masarap, kasi lahat na lang bawal, then you miss the point. How can you have more quality time with your kids kung hirap ka na? Kung hirap kang yumuko at makipaglaro sa mga anak mo? Ako, I have 3 boys. Alam niyo ng boys, mas active yan compare sa girls. So I have to be more fit so I can play with them, run with them, chase them, play basketball with my son. So you have to look on your health as well. Your fitness. So what are your fitness goals? Ikaw na mag-define nun. Focus on maybe your weight. Of course, not just yung weight, yung physical appearance. You can be you look great physically, but you don't have energy. You don't have mental sharpness. So I don't want you to go through this just to have a fitness goals for simply, trying to impress people with all the six-pack and all. There has to also be energy and sharpness. Because obviously, again, hindi naman po pwedeng, you just want this, you just want that. And then yung katawan mo hindi naman makakasunod. Parang if you love playing basketball or any sports, right? When you were younger, you can do this. Now, ngayon, medyo may edad ka na, your mind, you can do this, but yung katawan mo hindi na sumusunod. So we don't want that. We want to be able to do great things na even if whatever your age you are in, you look younger, you're much stronger, you're much healthier. Actually, I am more healthy. I'm healthier rather than when I was 10 years ago. So, baliktad. It seems that the older I get, I'm more focused on my health. So that's number 4. Number 5 is faith. Listen, I believe that there's a God and we have a creator. And I don't want to convince you on what to believe as well. But I really believe that there is someone up there who is watching us. So, spiritually, you also would like to check about your faith. Are you growing in your faith, in your relationship with God? And lastly is fun. Verse 6 is fun. What are the fun goals that you have? Like, ano yung mga gusto mong gawin for yourself that you really enjoy and love? You know, alam mo naman, ayaw mo naman ang buhay na puro trabaho, pamilya, trabaho. There also has something for yourself that you really enjoy. What could that be? Do you want to go skydiving? Do you want to learn playing golf? Do you want to have this weekly basketball game with your friends? Right? Or you want to learn photography or whatever is fun for you. Or maybe dati kang may banda, maybe you want to put up your band again. Start playing music again. Okay guys, ikaw ang mag-define ito because I really believe that in our hearts we all have these desires and we are so unique and you know that, right? Sabi nga nila, magkakaiba daw tayo ng fingerprint, magkakaiba rin tayo ng eye print. So we are so unique in many ways and I cannot tell you exactly how to live your life, but only I can help you, maybe give you more sense of direction para hindi ka nadadala ng alon ng buhay. Kaya yung iba nagkakaproblema sa pera because nagpapadala sila ng alon ng buhay. Ano yung alon ng buhay? Pag nag-sale sa SM, nag-sale sa mga online store, nagpapadala ka sa alon ng buhay. Kaya ngayon, marami ka na tuloy utang. So I hope this helps guys. Again, the first step is to have an appointment with yourself. Go in a quiet place and every day make it a habit just writing down in your journal, get a notebook, these are what I want in my life. There's really no right or wrong, so to speak, because ikaw lang magde-define nun. Okay, if you feel that you're not sharing, don't share it to anyone so that you can freely write whatever you want, your dreams and ambition in life. Just write it down. You want to become an author, speaker, whatever. Okay, have that, go through those 6 F's and constantly remind yourself of all these goals. And believe me, my friend, even if, sabihin mo na lang, Sir John, sa mga sinet ko, 50% lang yung accomplish ko. That is way better, my friend, than having no sense of direction at all. So I hope this helps. Again, thank you for watching. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.